In this video, I'm going to show you how to change email in Brawl Stars. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Brawl Stars on your device and sign into your Brawl Stars account. Now, once you're signed into your Brawl Stars account, go ahead and click on the top right corner of your screen, and this will take you to the settings section of Brawl Stars. And here, go ahead and click on the Supercell ID, and this will redirect you to the Supercell profile that you have. Now, go ahead and click on the setting icon at the top left corner of this, and go ahead and click on the change email button beside the login with, indicating the email connected with your Brawl Stars account. And here, just go ahead and click on OK, and a code will be sent to your current email to verify your identity and the action that you want to do. Now, after that, you'll need to enter the new email that you want to connect with your Supercell ID and confirm this email with the code sent to you by Supercell. There is no other way to change your email in Brawl Stars than changing your email itself on your Supercell ID. That's how you can simply change email in Brawl Stars. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.